What's up, home bartenders? Let's make a white Negroni using our homemade Gentian Liqueur. So we've got a local potato gin, we've got our Lillet, and our homemade Gentian Liqueur, of course. So starting with 1.5 ounces of dry gin. I like to do 1.5 ounces. You can just do one, do equal parts of everything. I like it to be a little heavier. All right, we've got our Lillet Blanc, we got 1 ounce of that, and finally our Gentian Liqueur. Use Suze or whatever you got, or if you've made your own like me, use your homemade Gentian Liqueur. 1 ounce, of course. That's it. All right, we're gonna add some ice in there, give it a nice stir. Cue the fast forward. All right, we're serving this in a rocks glass. Should be a large rock of ice, but I don't have any today, so cubed it is. Spill. Hey guys, if you like recipes like this, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that little bell, get notified when we release new content. All right, the white Negroni. I absolutely love that. I've made this before, mainly with Suze. This is the first time using my homemade Gentian Liqueur, and it's beautiful. Just as good as with Suze, so check out that recipe if you haven't already. Oh my God. It's, I don't know if I want to say sweeter. I mean, the Lillet does give it a good sweetness, but then again, in a standard Negroni, so does the sweet vermouth. The bitterness of the Gentian, it's a different flavor, but it's comparable to Campari. So if you like standard Negronis, I highly recommend trying out a white Negroni. Just as good. All right, guys, if you want to see more recipes that you can make using your Gentian Liqueur, whether you're using Suze or homemade, make sure to check out these videos that I've made in the past. We've got some awesome recipes using Gentian. And if you want to learn how to make your own Gentian Liqueur that is comparable to Suze, make sure you check out that video as well. We'll see you in the next one.